Of course, welcome to another section. Today we're looking at our analysis. We're checking out our analysis for yesterday. We're looking at our analysis for today, or what we think the market is likely to do today. Now, yesterday we actually marked out this zone, which was our recent high as at yesterday. So we marked out this, and we said a break above this and a retest of that, then we're going to buy to this next zone right here. That's what was said yesterday, and of course that really happened. Of which I think I took the market. I think what not around. I think I used 15 minutes. I think it's 15 minutes that I used. Yes, it's 15 minutes. So I took the market at the close of this candle here, this green candle. This was I took the market. So of course, when actually God said, I felt like maybe it's gonna reverse back, and my stop loss was actually below this candlestick right here. This is where my stop loss was. So I felt maybe this was going to come back, but then the zone still held, and then it went to our targets, which also my targets, which actually dropped that yesterday. If I have not watched that, I can actually check the yesterday's analysis. So that said, and of course we are not in that target. So what are we doing is I'll just say something, and I said a break above this tells us a likely movement. Okay, it's already here. You can see it right here. We said a break above this zone then tells us that the market is likely to move to the next zone, going to be around this zone right here. So that was what we said yesterday, and of course it's actually still valid because our recent structure is that this recent high right here. So I'll be cleaning up this one now. This already validated. So this is already validated. So let me just clean that. Let me move this too. Let me move this. Okay, it was locked. Okay, I've moved this. So now we are now waiting for a break approve this. Of course, let me move this now. Then let me just delete it. Close this. Okay, good. So we're for a break now above this, a retest of this zone again, then we target the market on the bullish side. So that's what we're looking at for. So please, you can just mark out your zones. So this zone is actually very valid. So you can mark it out. You break above this, a retest of that zone, then we for. Remember this day trade. We are not talking about overall general trade. The general trade can maybe can be maybe bullish or bearish, but looking at today, just day trade. So today, looking for a break above this, a test of that zone, then we think of going on that. So let's just wait. And remember, I'll be dropping the alert. If that happens, you can have a break above this and a retest. I'll drop the alert to inform you about that. And of course, for you to make sure you get informed about that alert, please do it to make sure you hit the subscribe button. And after the subscribe button, there's actually something like a bell behind it. I'm sure you all know that. So that bell icon is actually very, very necessary. That's what gets you reminded once we drop the alert. That said, we are still bullish on pound dollar. So let's go to the next one, which is going to be the BTCUSD. I think BTCUSD actually, I think we made some profits, right? Was it BTC or gold? Let me check. I think one of them. I know it was 2K actually 2 years yesterday. I know we took pound dollar then. I think BTC. Let me check. Yes, yeah, I think was it yesterday? No, okay, no, we didn't take the yesterday on BTS that it was on good then. Because this was the zone we were waiting for yesterday to get broken, but then it's only we tested, it came back down here. Yeah, we didn't take any trade on BTS yesterday. So that means our zone here is actually still valid. So we are still waiting for the market to actually give us a good sign of breaking above this. So let's go to the entry time frame, which is going to be 15 minutes chart. So let's check what's gonna happen right here. So we are now waiting for a break above this, a retest, and of course, let me clean this. So a break above this, a retest, then we think going long on that. So that's what we're looking at. Take it to the 1 hour. So you can see clearly, so you can maybe mark out your own structures. So this is the structure we're currently looking at. So this is the structure we're currently looking at. Let me just clean this. I can just move this as a perfect target. So here's the structure we're looking at. So a break above this, a retest, then think of going long on that. So please do it to mark yours. And remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not telling you what you're going to do with your trade. I'm only telling you what actually I'm looking at. And of course, you can actually use it as a guide on your own analysis. And if the analysis happens to work out with mine, you can go ahead and place your trade. Otherwise, please ensure you only risk the amount you're willing to lose, not actually guarantee this market. So that's going to be my target. So this is my target for it. So I'm waiting for a break now above this, a retest of this, and target the market to the next zone. And remember, if I actually happens that I have a break below this, I have a break below this, then I target this. Of course, this was the trade we took previously. I can see how that trade actually worked out well. It was we had let me even zoom that. Let me if I just zoom that I can see clearly. We see a bit below the retest which happened, then we targeted this. Of course, the market actually got to our zone. So that was I think last week around there. So now again we're waiting for a break above this. The retest, then we think of going what's it called, short long on that one. So you can just see this already happening. So but then if this does not happen, if you can get a break below this, a test, then we think of entering the market down to this zone. So once more, I'm still very much bullish on BTC USD. So let's go to the final one for today, which is going to be gold. And please don't forget the comment section is actually available. So please do well to drop a comment. And if the first time you're actually meeting the channel, so please and please do well to make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you can see our daily analysis every. Of course, you can use to compare with your own to see how we are making profit or if we are actually losing on it. Now, these are actually to yesterday. The market can be said you can get a break above the already you can see it right here. You say the break above this, a retest, and of course, then we think of going in continuation. Of course, we had a break, we had a retest, and of course, we went long, of which this actually took us out yesterday. But then I think today we actually entered another one around this zone. This was where I actually enter currently. This was the one I took yesterday, but for the market took us out. And then today again, I entered another one at the close of this candlestick. That should be on 50 sats. So 15 minutes is entering. Let me for the candlestick. I think it's really be. I think yes, this is. I think it's the candlestick I actually use. When it was after this two mine up there, it's telling me that the market that I had this bullish candle involving the bearish candle. So I too entered the market around there. My stop loss was there, and of course my target is 1 to 3 on this single trade right here, which was around here. So that's what I'm still looking. I'm still overall. Oh, sorry, please. I've moved this. That's no problem. At least I've showed you what I actually did. So currently I'm still very much bullish on BTCUSD, the pound dollar, and of course XAUUSD, which is good. So please do what you can do to join or then do an analysis or then simply if you want to join, I'm gonna say you should join right because the market is already far above my stop loss. So please you can just maybe a brief retracement then before you enter or then you wait for a break of structure once again and you can still go long on it. But if that does not happen, you have maybe a break below this, a retest, then that means I can think of short going short, which of course there are lots to be done. But for now, this is what I'm looking. I'm waiting for bullish. In fact, I'm already in it already. I'm waiting for bullish to get to this level. I feel my stop loss is below this one right here. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm bullish on the pound dollar, gold, and BTC US. That's it. Please and please, you have a profitable, someone say profitable day today. And of course, I wish you all success. Bye for now.